I was once unknown to the world. Every move I made seemed so tough, but my soul kept me in the game and reminded me of my name. When the path was nowhere to be found, my feet were steady on the ground. I held the vision clear and bright to guide me through the darkest night. Now my efforts showing through, I'm becoming something